Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a question in Canva. To start, open Canva and choose a blank design or a template. Look for the Text tab on the left side of your screen and click it. Then, select Add a heading or add a subheading to place a text box onto your canvas. Type your question directly into this box. You can easily change the font, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Once your question is typed, it is time to make it visually appealing and easy to read. Consider using a contrasting color against your background to ensure visibility. You can also apply bold or italic formatting to highlight important parts of your question. Explore the Effects tab to add shadows, outlines, or other styles that make your question pop. Aim for a text size of at least 24 points for optimal clarity. To further draw attention to your question, consider adding visual cues. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left panel. Here, you can find various shapes like circles or rectangles to frame your question. Arrows or lines can guide the viewer's eye directly to the text. You might also search for icons or illustrations that relate to your question's topic, adding a creative touch. These elements help make your question more engaging. Once your question design is complete, it is time to save and share your work. Always remember to save your design frequently to avoid losing progress. When ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in various formats, such as PNG or JPG for images, or PDF for a high-quality document. You can also share a direct link or post it to social media platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.